Welcome to Initiant, where today we're exploring the key topics at the forefront of the World Economic Forum's annual meeting in Davos for 2024. This year, the world's elite face a complex tapestry of geopolitical tensions, technological revolutions, and economic challenges. The theme this year is rebuilding trust, a fitting backdrop for the high-stakes discussions on global conflicts and technological disruptions. Let's delve into the most pressing issues that global leaders are tackling in both public forums and behind the scenes. A primary focus at Davos is the escalating tensions between the US and China, especially in the wake of Taiwan's presidential election. With the presence of a significant Chinese delegation led by Premier Li Qiang, all eyes are on potential diplomatic engagements, especially with top US officials like Secretary of State Antony Blinken. Li Qiang has already sparked interest, meeting with CEOs of major corporations like IBM and Intel, while revealing China's economic growth data. These interactions highlight the intricate dance of international trade and diplomacy. Turning to the Middle East, the presence of Israeli President Isaac Herzog and Qatar's Prime Minister Mohammed bin Abdulrahman al-Thani adds layers of complexity, given the ongoing conflict in Gaza. Will groundbreaking dialogues or new strategies emerge from these encounters? Saudi Arabia, led by Prince Faisal bin Farhan, is also drawing attention. The kingdom's growing economic and diplomatic influence is a subject of much speculation and interest, reflecting the shifting power dynamics in the Middle East. Artificial intelligence is another major buzzword at Davos this year. With numerous events focusing on AI, leaders from top AI companies like OpenAI, Google DeepMind, and others are in the spotlight. They're discussing the future impact of generative AI, an area that's rapidly transforming industries and economies. Ukraine's presence, notably with President Volodymyr Zelensky as a keynote speaker, underscores the ongoing conflict and its global implications. His engagements with top bankers and international leaders signal the critical role of economic strategies in addressing the crisis. Amid these discussions, the quieter, behind-the-scenes meetings are where the real action is. These gatherings often shape future policies and alliances far from the public eye. The speculation about who's meeting whom reflects the strategic maneuvering at play. Penny Pritzker, present in her dual role as the State Department's special representative for Ukraine's economic recovery and head of Harvard's governing board, finds herself in a unique position. Given the controversy surrounding Harvard, her interactions may draw attention beyond her official capacity. This year's Davos is more than a meeting of minds. It's a convergence of crises and opportunities. From the future of AI to the complexities of global conflicts and the delicate balance of power, the discussions here will undoubtedly influence the world's trajectory. In conclusion, Davos 2024 is a reflection of our times, a mix of uncertainty, hope, and the relentless pursuit of progress. As these global leaders navigate through these challenges, the world watches and waits for the outcomes that will shape our collective future. Thank you for joining us on Initiant for this exploration of the World Economic Forum at Davos. For more insights into global events and the latest in technology and innovation, make sure to subscribe to our channel.